The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas Esama, yesterday chaired a meeting of the High Power Committee to review the progress of the new Assembly building construction at Mawdyangdyang. Speaking after the meeting, the Speaker informed that the target for completion of the new Assembly building has been extended with the aim of inaugurating it before the autumn session of 2025. The delay is attributed to the complex and unique design of the dome structure, which requires meticulous and cautious execution.
Has been designed is, there is no such design anywhere in this part of the country, so we are going very slow, we are being very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted, so we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very new structure design for us, so we are going a little slowly.
The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development